Number 5 here, it says which expression is not equivalent to the absolute value of negative 12 plus 5. So first of all, we want to see what that expression of absolute value negative 12 plus 5 is. Let's do what's inside the absolute value, which is the negative 12 plus 5. We see that negative 12 plus 5 is really equal to negative 7. So we want to take the absolute value of negative 7. The absolute value of negative 7 is 7. So which one is not equivalent to that? Well, the first one is a 7. That is equivalent, so that wouldn't work. Next, we see the absolute value of negative 7. The absolute value of negative 7 is 7, so that doesn't work. Okay. Then we have the third one, which is the absolute value of 7. That equals to 7, so that doesn't work. So it has to be the last one of negative 7. Negative 7 is the only one that is not equivalent to this expression.